I signed up with Choice because I wanted a company that would be there in case I needed them. And honestly, at the time, I really didn't know what needs I would have, but I like the security of having a home warranty service that I could count on if there was something going on in my home. Recently, my electric bill increased to $800 a month every month, even on days when the system was not being used. So I called Choice and they sent someone out to check my furnace. And what he found was he found that there was a piece that had malfunctioned inside of the furnace. And the difference in my electric bill just from that one small little piece, I watched him take it off. He told me I had to turn off the electricity and all these things in order for him to change it. But just changing that one small piece on my furnace decreased my bill from $800 a month to $200 a month. So, maybe that's not significant for some people, but for me, if I think about the fact that prior to that, I had paid more than $10,000 just for an electric bill as a result of a piece that was malfunctioning. I had contacted the electric company. They did their troubleshooting and they said that we were using too much electricity, but it wasn't. It was that this thing malfunctioned on the furnace, which caused the furnace to go into some kind of an emergency mode, which is something I never heard of before. But I can tell you, I contacted Choice. I had to pay my portion of the bill, which was $75. And they sent an expert out here that was able to, one, find the problem in a matter of minutes, fix the problem, and help me because I no longer have to pay those extremely high electric bills. Hopefully this helps, but I will definitely be renewing with them. I have also purchased their programs for my children just to make sure that they have that security if they ever need it. So if anyone is trying to determine whether or not they should choose Choice, I'll tell you, I chose it and I'm choosing it again. Thank you.